I realized, look at my toolbox. I've had this toolbox for, let me see. Let me come over here. I've had this toolbox for 20 years, or at least 15 to 17 years. Look at that. It's just a disaster because I don't have any room. This is all paint and stuff like that. The other one's lubrication for the car stuff. The other one is funnels and other gadget thingies for cars. Back there is all machine, you know, lathe, mill cutting stuff. I don't have room. And then if you look over there, well, you've already seen it. Over there on the wall is all my motorcycle stuff. So this is probably the only drawer that's decent. And I added this non-slip stuff a long time ago. But then if you go to all the other drawers, look at that, like screwdrivers. I mean, I got just stuff thrown in there because there's so much stuff. Look at that drawer. I mean, you gotta dig through when you're looking for stuff. Multiple socket sets, they don't really fit. Multiple socket wrenches, whatever. It's just too much. All this drill stuff just, thrown in there. So I said, you know what? I gotta get another toolbox. So there you go. Make sure that's focused. So I got another toolbox. I went down to Harbor Freight. This toolbox, and I'm going to unbox it, so you're going to get to see all this. This toolbox was $398 or $78. It's the exact same toolbox that Home Depot sells for $879. It's literally half or less than half the price. So I picked one up. Well, first I called my wife and said, "Do you have any objections?" Because I have a lot of things I need to buy in the near future, and so I don't want to be like. We kind of have a deal where if we're gonna spend, more than a couple $100, we let each other know about it. Usually. I mean, sometimes things happen, but for sure we would never go buy a car or, anything like that without telling each other. So, this is it. I also picked up these little wrench. These were $6. And these are, I have sizes on there. But anyway, these are like wrench organizers. Do that. I also, yesterday, got my banner. I got the banner, my custom banner. So I'm gonna open that too. I'm gonna check that out. And I don't even know what this is. I got a feeling this is protein bars, not shop related. Okay, so let me get kind of set up, squared away, and then I'll start filming again. All right, let's see. Let's have a look-see. I know, I'm getting to that. I'll get to that. I think I should. I was gonna do this on this video, but you know what? The way things work on YouTube, I should probably just do that by itself. So this right now is gonna be just checking out this banner. I just want to see. I can't take it. Curiosity. Curiosity. What's a yellow pad? I use it all the time. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see that. I can't hold it out that long. I'm gonna put that up on the wall. I'm gonna do that right now. Boom! I can't even wait. I'm so pumped. Hey, so while I was getting ready to do this, I installed the banner. Let me show you. put it up on the wall. Let's see if we can manually zoom in. That would be cool. Take it off of auto and put it on. I guess that's as good as I can get it. Anyway, there you go. I think it looks cool. Now back to the real. Whoa. Stop. Okay, so let's bust into this. Yukon 46-inch 9-drawer mobile workbench with a solid wood top, 100 pounds. Fragile. Let's see what we got going on. Put this over here. Okay, so a little minor development. So, if you see, these are the nuts that come with it to put the casters on. 12 fits fine. Well, when you're putting in the top, I don't know if you can see this. I can't, everything sucks. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this, but when you put it in the top, you can use this, everything fits. Well, when you try to do it on the bottom, even when you tilt it up, you would think they would be symmetrical, so that if all you have to do is tilt the wheel around and do it, it doesn't, it won't fit. So, just went into my little drill or bit thingies, and so this is not the right bit, but I'm not gonna tighten it, I'm just gonna, so you don't have to like do a wrench 500 turns. So it's just a star, but it fits that perfectly. So that's why I'm doing the bottom, and then as soon as it gets, oh, and I had to use 2 extensions because this little kit that I got only comes with just that, and it's too close. It's too close to the wheel, so it doesn't hit it. So I just put another one on there. So, okay, so just wanted to kind of explain that so you knew which one. Now, which star is it? I don't know. They're not marked. Whatever one fits. So I actually just put this handle on and tipped it all the way down. It's even easier. Now I'm putting my brakes. They give you two brake wheels, 2 regular wheels. I put the brake on the front. I didn't even realize it, but since it's on the front, I put the other one on the front. You can do it on the side. You know, that's how a lot of guys like to do it. But you know what? Oh, wait a minute. That only rolls like that. Oh, you know what? I am going to put this one on over here. Because these, I thought these were spinning, but they're not. Okay, see? Good thing you tuned in. So I'm going to leave this one here, and I'm going to put this one here, and take this one and put it back there. Because comes with all the non-slip pads in there. Any other surprise? No surprises for this one's all drawers. So there you go. Let's see. I mean, that's as good as my Craftsman. Matter of fact, I may have this drawer overloaded, but it's hard to open sometimes. So it has like a little. That's pretty cool, man. I mean, honestly, if there was a Craftsman logo on there, I would think it was Craftsman. I mean, especially for what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna switch over to tools now. And there you go. That's the Yukon 46-inch 9-drawer Harbor Freight, and it was under $400. Hey, if you like these videos and you want to see more, please consider helping us out by picking up a t-shirt over at blacktopmods.com. Be super helpful. We're going to have, as you know, right now we're doing the R8 twin turbo build with also building our own intercoolers. After that, we're going to do a wide body, R8 wide body kit. We're going to actually build the kit ourselves, you know, carbon fiber. And then any other things that you want to see build, those are just the two we have on tap right now. If I'd have known earlier, I could have done my son's R8, or not his R8, his A6. We took the motor out twice trying to figure something out, and that would have been cool just to show everybody, but that's done. So also, there could be other builds. Anyway, anything that you're interested in, that would be cool, and it would really help us out a lot if you could pick up a t-shirt. I mean, I would say just support the channel if you want. Maybe I'll put a button down there for PayPal or something like that. That would be awesome. But, you know, the t-shirts are cool. Everyone wears t-shirts. I bought this, you know, online from somebody. So that would just help us out a lot. Really appreciate it.